Students, welcome to the online classes of accountancy. Today we are going to see how to calculate interest on partners drawing. So let us start with our video. First, let us know what do you mean by drawings. Drawing means the amount withdrawn in cash or in kind by partners for their personal use. Whenever any partner withdraws certain amount from business for his personal use, then it is known as drawings. If partnership deed provides, then interest is charged on drawings against profit. There are two types of drawing, that is drawings against profit and drawing against capital. And if partnership deed provide, we charge interest on drawings against profit. This interest charge is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account and it's debited to the partner's capital account or current account. So, before calculating interest on drawing, we must see that drawings by partner may be broadly divided into two categories, that is irregular drawings and regular drawings. Irregular drawing means drawing of same amount or different amount at irregular interval. Whenever any partner withdraw certain amount from the firm on irregular basis, then such drawing is known as irregular drawings, and whenever same amount at regular interval is withdrawn by the partner, then it is known as regular drawings. To calculate interest on regular and irregular drawings, we have two methods. There are two methods. First, product method, and second one is average period method. First, let us see what is product method. Whenever there is irregular drawings, that is unequal amount is withdrawn at different dates, then we use product method to calculate interest on drawing. Let us understand product method with the help of an example. In a partnership, partners are charged interest on drawing at 15% per annum. During the year ended 31st March 2020, a partner withdraw as follow. So, in the question it is stated that interest on drawings is charged at 15% per annum. We have to calculate interest on drawing with the help of the given information. As we see the question, it is clearly seen that the amount is irregular as well as the date of withdrawal is also irregular. So, we will calculate interest on drawing by using product method for the year ended 31st March 2020. Now, while solving this question, first we have to prepare a table consisting of 4 columns. First column will be related to the date of drawing. Second column will be of amount. Third column will be of number of months up to 31st March 2020. It means from the date of withdrawal till the end of the accounting period, that is 31st March 2020. And the fourth column will be the product of amount and number of months up to 31st March 2020. Now, as we know, first withdrawal is made on 1st May 2019. So, in date column, we are going to record all the dates. That is 1st May 2019. Then the second withdrawal was on 1st August 2019. Third on 30th September 2019. Fourth withdrawal was on 31st Jan 2020. And the last withdrawal was on 31st March 2020. So, record all the dates in column A. Then after recording dates, write the amount of drawings in column B, that is amount column. On 1st May amount withdraw was 2000, then 5000, then on 30th September 2000, 31st Jan 6000, and on 31st March 2020 2000. After writing date and amount, in column number C, you are going to write number of months remaining from the date of drawing till the end of the year, that is till 31st March 2020. For example, first drawing was made on 1st May 2019. From 1st May 2019 till the 31st March 2020, number of months for which the drawing was made was 11 months. So write 11 in the column C, and in the same way you are going to calculate months for the next drawing, that is 8, 6, 2 and 0. As we can see, the last drawing was made on 31st March 2020 and the year end is also 31st March 2020. So number of days or number of months remaining are 0. After writing number of months up to 31st March 2020 in column number C, you are going to write product of column B and C in column D, that is 2000 into 11 22,000, 5000 into 8 40,000 and so on. After completing this table, you are going to add all the products, that is column number D. You are going to make the addition of column number D, and the total is 86,000. After this, you are going to use a formula to calculate interest on drawing, and the formula to calculate interest on drawing by product method is total of product into rate of interest divided by 100 into 1 by 12. It means we have to calculate interest on total of product for 1 month. That will be equal to 86,000 into rate of interest, that is 15 divided by 100 into 1 by 12, and the interest on drawing will be equal to 1075 rupees. And in this way we are going to solve the question by product method for irregular drawings. Now next method to calculate interest on drawing is average period method. We use this method generally when there is regular drawings, that is the amount of drawing is uniform and the time interval between the two drawing is also uniform. Now the formula to calculate interest on drawing by average period method is total drawings into rate of interest upon 100 into average period upon 12. Now to solve the question by average period method, we have to first calculate the average period, and the formula to calculate average period is equal to months left after first drawing plus months left after last drawing divided by 2. In this way you are going to find average period and then put all the values in the formula, and then you can find interest on drawing. Let us see this with the help of an example. A, B and C are partners in a firm. A drew regularly rupees 10,000 per month. Under partnership deed, interest on drawings is to be charged at 15% per annum. Calculate interest on A's drawings if the drawings are made regularly in the beginning of each month. Now the question says that A withdraw regularly rupees 10,000 per month. It means the time period is also same and the amount withdrawn is also same. So average period method can be used to solve this question. You have to calculate interest on A's drawing if interest is charged at 15% per annum, and if he withdraw this amount, that is 10,000 per month, in the beginning of each month. So let us start with the solution. First we are going to calculate total drawings, that is equal to 10,000 into 12, because amount withdrawn per month is 10,000 and the number of months in a year is 12. That is 10,000 into 12, that is equal to 1,20,000. Rate of interest is given in the question, that is 15% per annum. Now we have to calculate average period, and the formula to calculate average period, as we have seen in the previous slide, number of months left after first drawing plus number of months left after last drawing divided by 2. So the first drawing was in the beginning of the first month of the year. in the beginning of the first month, so we will assume it was the first day of the year. So number of months remaining after first drawing is 12 month, and if he withdraw equal amount in the beginning of each month, then the number of drawings remaining after last drawing will be 1 month. For example, if the year is starting from 1st April 2019 till 31st March 2020, then the first drawing will be on 1st April 2019, and the number of months remaining after 1st April 2019 will be equal to 12 months, and last drawing will be on 1st March 2020, and the number of months remaining after last drawing will be 1 month, that is from 1st March 2020 till the 31st March 2020. So we are going to add 12 plus 1 and then divide it by 2. So average period will be equal to 6.5 months. After that, use the formula to calculate interest on drawing, that is equal to total drawings into rate of interest divided by 100 into average period divided by 12. Now, as we know, in total drawings is equal to 1,20,000. So write total drawing, that is 1,20,000. Then rate of interest is 15%. 15. Then average period is 6.5 month. Write average period 6.5 month. Then 15 by 1,20,000 into 15 by 100 into 6.5 divided by 12, and the answer which you will get is equal to 9,750. That means interest on A's drawing will be equal to 9,750. In this way, you are going to calculate interest on partner's drawing.